Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in today's video I'll be making some plantain gnocchi, and I will be having that with some sancoche. Now sancoche is a dish with saltfish and coconut milk. Let's get right into the recipe. So here I have a pot of salted water, and to this I'm going to add my green plantain. I'll be peeling my green plantain and cutting it sideways and adding it to this water to boil. This is how the plantain looks. It is all done. I am going to drain it and I'm going to pass it through my potato ricer, so I'll be right back. And I went ahead and chopped the pieces of plantain into smaller pieces, and this is the potato ricer that I'll be using. I'm just going to place the pieces of plantain in there, press it, and it will bring them out in a smoother consistency. So now it's time for assembling. And here I have that shredded plantain, some salt, eggs. So it's one whole egg and an egg yolk. I have some all-purpose flour here, and I'll be using just a little bit of ground turmeric. So I'm going to start by pouring out some of my flour and the plantain with it as well. Mix it together so it's well incorporated. And then we're gonna go in with our salt and a little bit of turmeric, and then I'm going in with my wet ingredient, which is my eggs. So I poured out that flour and I did a hole in the middle so I can now add that plantain to it. Now the plantain is in, and now we go in with the salt. Now we go in with the egg, one yolk at a time. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to cut it in half. Guys, see how it looks inside? Just gonna place this part to a side and start working on this one. So I'm going to show you how I made them. Here, I just rolled it out into a log. Just gonna cut it into some smaller pieces. And I roll it downwards. And this is it. Roll it downwards. I am going to place them in a Ziploc bag and place them in the fridge and have them chill for a bit whilst I get the rest of the ingredients together and we get started on the sancoche. So now I'm going to start to give it a quick boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. And here they are. As you can see, they have floated to the top, so they are now ready. Just going to remove them from the hot water, place them in a bowl, and then we're going to start with our saltfish. Now we start to get the sancoche ready. So here I have some carrot and some Christophane. I'm going to lightly saute these. Then I'm going to go in with my fresh seasonings, some black pepper and some salt. Saute that a bit, and then we're going to go in with our coconut milk. And in here I have onion, garlic, bell peppers, I have some parsley, I also have some scallion, and I'll also be using some fresh thyme. Just went in with some salt and black pepper. Now I went light on the salt because the saltfish itself has salt as well. I'm gonna let that saute just a little bit, and then we're going in with that coconut milk. And now for our coconut milk. Next, just a dash of some turmeric. Next, I'm starting to go in with the saltfish. And I'm just gonna start to go in with my gnocchi. And this is how it looks. Guys, it is all done. I did a small sampler taste and it tastes so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you like my content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you guys tuned in to my next video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.